Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we'll be comparing the most trending device Apple Watch 7 to one of Android's alternatives, the Galaxy Watch 4. So finally, our wait is over. The Apple Watch Series 7 is here. It is official, and the new Apple Watch comes in a subtle redesign headlined by a larger and brighter display with faster charging capabilities, while the Galaxy Watch 4 came out a few weeks ago. Price-wise, it is expected that the Apple Watch 7 will retail for the same price as its predecessor, sitting at $399. And for Galaxy Watch 4, it will cost $249 at launch, which is kind of affordable when compared with the Apple Series 7. There are two Galaxy Watch 4 models, the Galaxy Watch 4 and the Galaxy Watch 4 Classic. The non-classic one is similar, lighter, and has a capacitive touch sensing band rather than the rotating bezel of the Classic. In this video, we'll be focusing on the standard Watch 4 here. It is a very good-looking device. Its face is circular and looks more like a traditional watch, while its display lies completely flat with a Super AMOLED screen, and it's also more reminiscent of a modern stopwatch with its sleek and minimalist design. Whereas Apple takes a slightly more futuristic approach. Apple's display has got bigger, bumping up to 41mm and 45mm options, with 20% more screen available over the Series 6. And along with the size, it is also now 70% brighter, which means it will enable you to view more data and makes it a little easier to check your watch for the time. Coming to its fitness tracking, Watch 7 can do everything the Watch 6 does, including measuring your blood oxygen levels, ECG, and tracking your workouts. And in addition to that, it has also made some upgrades to the cycling fitness option, improved algorithms for biking and e-biking, and some new watch faces, and a full keyboard that you can use with typing or swiping. The Galaxy 4 watch, on the other hand, has brought a Bioactive Sensor, which can collect data on your heart rate, blood pressure, blood oxygen levels, and perform an ECG test. And apart from that, it can also conduct more complete analysis of your body, like looking at your body fat, skeletal muscle, body water, BMI, and BMR. In terms of battery, Watch 7 doesn't differ too much from the Apple Watch 6, and it's still offering an 18-hour battery life. While fast charging is now an option, with which the company is claiming that with just an 8-minute charge, it would allow for 8 hours of sleep tracking, which is pretty impressive. The Galaxy Watch 4, meanwhile, is massively more compelling in terms of battery, with a 40-hour capacity. And in our tests, as well as when we analyzed other reviews, people managed to get up to 31 hours of use while making use of the workout tracking, sleep tracking, and notifications. Samsung is IP68 rated for water and dust resistance, while Apple now has both IP6X dust resistance as well as WR50 water resistance, which means you can still use it to track any water-based activities you get up to. This time, Samsung has come powered by Google's own Wear OS and runs Samsung's One UI 3 with an impressive range of attractive watch faces. There's also 16 GB of internal storage, 1.5 GB of RAM, and a dual-core Exynos W920 chipset, which promises to be 20% faster than its predecessor. While as usual, Apple runs its own Watch OS version 8 this time, which is now a more mature and user-friendly operating system with a decent collection of apps, including many Google ones, Apple's own options, and third-party apps as well. So that's pretty much about it. For a verdict, we would say that Apple Watch 7 will be an impressive new addition to Apple's Watch series, offering accurate GPS features and adding more aspects to the cycling part of the fitness app. However, when comparing price and other fresh-out features of the latest Samsung smartwatch, the winner has to be the Galaxy Watch. Still, if you're an iPhone user, you probably won't want a Galaxy Watch 4. And if you're an Android user, then the Apple Watch won't be for you either. So undoubtedly, chances are you've probably picked a side already, because picking up a smartwatch always depends on which phone you use.